The first day salad surprise. Once upon a time, on a sunny Texas farm, lived Mother Pig and her little one, Baby Pig. The first day of school was just around the corner, and Baby Pig was excited and nervous at the same time. "Mom," Baby Pig squealed, "I'm going to school tomorrow. What should I bring for lunch?" Mother Pig smiled and said, "How about we make a delicious salad together, filled with fresh farm veggies? It'll be a healthy and tasty surprise for your first day." Baby Pig's eyes lit up with excitement, and they set off to the garden. As they approached the garden, they noticed a little bird's nest on a low branch of a nearby tree. Inside were two tiny baby birds chirping for their breakfast. Baby Pig whispered, "Mom, look! Baby birds in the nest. They must be hungry too." Mother Pig nodded and said, "You're right, baby. Let's make a salad for us and a little something for our feathered friends." They picked plump, juicy tomatoes, crisp lettuce, and colorful carrots from the garden. Baby Pig carefully carried them back to the kitchen while Mother Pig made a small bowl of birdseed salad. In the kitchen, they washed the veggies and chopped them into bite-sized pieces. Baby Pig was in charge of tossing everything together in a big salad bowl. They drizzled a little dressing and mixed it all up. The salad looked so vibrant and delicious. With the salad and the birdseed salad in hand, Baby Pig and Mother Pig returned to the tree with the nest. The two baby birds and their mama chirped with joy as they shared the tasty treat. The next day, Baby Pig went to school with a lunchbox filled with the same scrumptious salad they had made together. As Baby Pig opened the lunchbox at lunchtime, the delicious aroma of the salad filled the classroom. The other animals at school gathered around, curious about Baby Pig's lunch. Baby Pig smiled and shared the salad with newfound friends. They all loved it. That day, Baby Pig not only made new friends but also learned a valuable lesson about sharing and caring for others.